What up? What up? RC76. We're gonna do a video update, all the stuff we got going on, and my son's here to help because we're doing a clean out. I got like 5, 6. How many chassis to sell? Maybe it's like 6, 7.
No, we're not getting rid of those two. We got 1, 2, 3.
We got these here. Well, real quick, we got they're 10 scale. Mostly on-road cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two are. There's an HPI that was converted to brushless. These are nice. These I don't even know what they are yet. I got them in a trade one time. That one's all carbon fiber. All carbon fiber. Everything. All-wheel drive, belt driven. And this one is another one. We'll let him show you. So those right now are any chassis you see laying around here. All Rustler bag. All we got right now is the Max, it's Masons, the Kyosho behind here. This is another nice buy, right, Mace? What are you gonna put that on? One of these, right? This little one?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, this is like a real slick body. It's gonna go on there. But, you know, we got the Revo, and this is just a upgraded Volcano, but it's mint. It's fast, too. Fast as hell. But we're waiting. Today's the day. What are we getting, boy?
My whining kit.
Whining kit for the Max. Now he's really going to beat on it. Mason drives better than half my adult friends. They can't believe how this kid drives. It's like, you know how young kids are, no fear, like on dirt bikes and stuff. He full throttles it everywhere he goes, you know, hill climbs, and he's so quick with the throttle, like he controls it really awesome. So, I don't know, anything you want to talk about? I'm going to show them the bodies here, show them the bodies up there, the Porsche Subaru. Oh, show them about the bodies and then talk about that. It's the next project.
We got
Wintertime project.
Dad, what's this body called right here?
That's the Porsche 911.
The Porsche 911. It goes to this car. And then the Subaru goes to this one, but we're selling this one. So
the bodies are That's the winter project. Here, I'll point it. You do the video. This
is my
winter
project. It's a Red Cat
MT8E.
MT8E.
That thing is a beast.
Here are the tires, and then you can only find one.
No, we got all of them. Remember, I put them up. Tell them how powerful it was on 4S. Forget about 6.
4S,
it was wheeling in.
It's perfect.
That was in front of the Red House, remember?
And this is our Kyosho Dodge street car. We got drift tires, but we put the HPI on the GRPs on them. And this is my Max.
Show them how beefy the system is in this thing.
The inside.
I tell you guys, nothing but good reviews for this truck. I mean, it's like I said in the other video, it's more durable than my Revo. And listen, me and him are Arma guys. We were Arma guys for a long time. We still are. Don't get me wrong. But Traxxas does make their good vehicles. Like, one of the best of all times was the E-Max brushless edition. The Revo, the Rustler.
Here is the...
Yeah, look at that thing, man.
Here is the ESC thing. Yep. Yeah, the ESC.
See, he gets confused sometimes because the ESC, the fan on the motor is so big, it looks like an ESC, right? That looks like an ESC. That's a nice motor, man.
ESC, it's huge, and this is the Revo ESC. Same thing, but just different patterns. Yeah. So this is the steering servo.
We actually ordered.
And over here, my dad got 2 steering servos on the Revo.
And the tires are very big front end.
And the shocks on the front, so when it pushes this and these 2 axles, they push this, and these go in, and then they push just
bounce
as the back, and
And then
And
what
next,
keeps happening?
this is the fan.
What keeps happening to the push rods because they get all the weight of they get all the weight of the shocks.
Dad, come down here.
No?
This never gets bent. This one, it always gets bent.
Look at it now.
Yeah. So, where's the
Let this idiot out. Show him the dog.
Oh,
Look, this
is
Jax.
my dog. A dog.
He always wants to go out. Come sit, Jax. We're gonna let him out. Don't show up, Kelly. Come on, Jax.
So this is my no, this is not mine. This is my this is my dad's. This one is the Dodge. This is the body. That's the body. And over here, I have my dad got two 5000 mAh, and the other one is the same thing. It goes to this car, and then the battery charger. We have two of them. They're down here. Me and my dad's things, chargers. But these batteries can't hook up to it, so we gotta use this one. This one. And this, for my truck, this, it goes in here. I forgot to put it in here. It goes in here, and then my battery just
Outside.
sits in it. So it's more sturdier. My battery's already charged.
Yeah. So what else you talking about? Your bat?
So I told them that
So show me.
that
So let's
these
show 'em-
batteries can't go to
Oh yeah,
those
we got all
batteries.
these. Look, did you show them?
Yeah, that these batteries have to go to this one.
Well, so let's show them what's for sale. I don't know
So-
if anybody wants them. Listen, I'll donate them to an RC.
So
What was this again?
This was a carbon fiber belt driven. We thought we were gonna work on it, but we got all new
Look at the
cars.
camera, see, get a good shot so they can see it.
So it look. This all the front's busted.
It's all-
The belt.
No, look,
So-
it's not, no. Well, one thing's busted. He's right about this. There's one thing that's busted. But, it's a project. It needs parts. Somebody stopped building it. I got it cheap. It's a, man, I'm trying to think of the name of it. It was a, oh, you guys know it out there. There's a kit that makes it carbon fiber. This, I don't know, I guess it's up there too. It's a HPI RS4. I don't even know what model though.
This is our Subaru, but
yeah, this is
whoever wants it can have it because we're just getting rid of
do what
it.
you want with it, right? This one would be a nice.
Gas.
Listen, I used to do nitro, but I kind of don't like it anymore. A nice truck, off-road truck with nitro would be nice,
Yeah.
but not these cars. Anyway, this comes with the whole drivetrain, 2-speed, 2 servos. I was getting this ready for electric conversion too, and it came with the Subaru body.
But we're doing this one electric.
Yeah.
And this one.
So all these are rollers. Well, a couple sliders. I can put tires on all of them, and then you got this bad boy.
The Honda.
My son wants to keep this though for a project because he always wanted one 10 scale on-road belt drive. So this one's nice. The motor sits right in there. I mean, everything's here needs electrics. The HPI, this one, remember Mace? This one's on let go. I get bites all the time. All you gotta do is build a motor mount to hold the motor in. That's it. You pop the motor. I made this whole bearing here, axle, everything. I took this whole thing out, made it where it fit right to direct drive, and it direct drives to the back wheels, and then you got your belt, the center belt, and the third belt here, all the way to the front. These all work. It rolls so smooth. The suspension is so tight. It's beautiful. All you got to do is have a motor mount or figure out where to mount it in here, or I would think up top right here and connect to that big gear. Got plenty of choices of what to do.
This one, so this one is the volcano, and we have the wheelie bar.
Brushed, remember?
It was brushed before we did all this.
We made our own
We
brushes.
got this for the Kyle show, but instead we put it on this, so it was brushed, right? And we put that motor in it, so it would go faster, right? Then we have a new ESC, a new steering servo, a new thing, and he has a Red Cat remote. And this is my dad's Revo, my Max, the Red Cat, and my dog. And then Dad,
What?
I'm gonna say, make sure to subscribe and leave a like.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is what we're working with here. We did this for my son. He's really into the hobby. This is our back room we made for this. I tell you, that TR MT8 is going to be a monster. I want to see how it compares to the Revo and the Max when that MT8 has a nice 6S system in it. Alright.
Make sure to subscribe and leave a like.
That's it, boys. Peace out.
RC
RC for life.